This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta with ground beef. First, grab a large skillet and brown 1 pound of ground beef over medium-high heat. Use a spoon to break the meat into small, even pieces as it cooks. This helps it brown thoroughly. Once the beef is nicely browned, make sure to drain any excess fat from the skillet. This step is crucial for a delicious, less greasy sauce. Next, it's time to build some amazing flavor. Add 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic to your skillet with the brown beef. Sauté these aromatics for about 5 minutes or until they become soft and wonderfully fragrant. Then, pour in a 24-ounce jar of your favorite pasta sauce. Give everything a good stir to combine all those delicious ingredients. Now, let's get that sauce simmering to perfection. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the skillet and let it simmer for at least 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. While your sauce is simmering, cook 8 ounces of your preferred pasta according to the package directions. Al dente is usually best for this dish. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Drain your cooked pasta thoroughly and add it directly into the simmering ground beef sauce. Gently toss the pasta with the sauce until every strand is evenly coated with that rich, flavorful mixture. Serve your delicious pasta and ground beef dish immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh Parmesan cheese and some chopped herbs for an extra touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.